Lacson Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament 4th Season.
Kaya kami nagpapaliga dahil alam namin passion ng mga kabataan ng basketball.
Tayaan mo sa lugar na to manatili ang spirito ng pagmamahalan, and the spirit of sportsmanship will remain here in this place. Ito po ang aming nagkakaisang panalangin sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Banal na Espiritu Santo.
Ing Inter-Barangay Season 4 tamo po ngeni ay simbolo ne po ning pamisan metong.
Sana may ka-player tamo, mamyalong ang mag-represent kayong Pampanga. Yan ang pangarap na ning metong ang Magalenyo na sana may ka-basketball player tamo ang manibatan Keti.
Yung pamaglugta mo hindi ka ngay ni idala-tala deng values of teamwork, respect, and fair play na lagi nang sasabyan at emphasize Governor Dennis.
Number 1 is discipline. Second is respect. Karing kayabe yung athlete.
Game's intense, Pampanga's finest, yeah, we're on the fence. Bring Zeke-Yow, that's the Sports Center. Mayor Malu's league, where the best contenders enter. One more Galang, the chants loud and clear. The echo of the town, it's the sound that we hear. The north and the south, they bring their teams into Barangay battle, chasing dreams. The courts are hot and the crowd is loud. We playing for the love, we playing for the crowd. Magalang, that's what we're all about. It's more than just a chant, it's a powerful shout. Sneakers squeak and the ball goes swish. Defense strong, every move's delish. From the first whistle to the final score, damn Malu's lead, keeping them wanting more. One more Magalang, we chant it as we fight. It's the spirit of the game, every day, every night. Magalang pride, it's more than just a game. It's the heartbeat of the town, it's the passion, it's the flame. Every shot, every block, got the crowd on their feet. In a barangay basketball with champion beats to be. One us together in the heat of the play. One move Magalang, that's the battle cry. From the courts to the streets, it echoes in the sky.
Number 24, jersey number 5, jersey number 15, jersey number 9, and jersey number 31. Brought to you by Magalenyo, ating lingap at tugaling malugod, yung Baler ng Magalang. Ngayon ang Blue Lacson